Good morning. Our story today that we are reading for Reach for Reading is called A Bird Can Fly. Do you know what kind of bird this is? This is a parrot. So let's see what birds can fly. Okay, I'm going to have to stand up for this one since it's a big book. So share a fact. What is this book about? What animals can do? Okay, how do animals move? Well, monkeys hang, fish swim, and birds fly. Let's take a look. A bird can fly. A bird can sing. A bird can build a nest. But a bird can't build a dam. Who would build this? What animal do you think? Let's see. A beaver can build a dam. A beaver can cut down trees with his teeth. A beaver can live underwater for 15 minutes. But a beaver can't live underground. What animal does it look like lives underground? An ant can live underground. An ant can walk upside down on a branch. Wouldn't that be fun? An ant can carry 5 times its own weight. But an ant can't carry a boy on its back. That'd be way too heavy, wouldn't it? A tortoise can carry a boy on its back. A tortoise can live in a shell. A tortoise can pull its tail into the shell. But a tortoise can't hang by its tail. What animal is that? A monkey can hang by its tail. A monkey can live in a tree. A monkey can travel through the jungle. But a monkey can't travel across the desert. What animal do you think travels across the desert? If you said a camel can travel across the desert, a camel can store food in its body. A camel drinks 20 gallons of water, but a camel can't breathe underwater. So if you have a gallon of milk at home, take that gallon of milk and have 20 of them, and that's how much water a camel drinks. A fish can breathe underwater. A fish can swim great distances. A fish can see things on both sides of its head at the same time. But a fish can't fly. A bird can fly. What's this big bird? You said an eagle. You are correct. Okay, so in your packet, you should have a paper that looks like this. It says, write about one of the animals in the story. And what did you learn? What did that tell you about the animal in that story? Okay, you're going to write that and tell me. Bye.